All right, so another set of chronicles this morning of my ever-evolving issues that are self-inflicted. Yeah, ran over a stump in my yard. I forgot it was there. I should know this because I cut the tree down and never finished the job. So this is what I get. So these are new blades I bought. I guess here's the part number on them. But my deck is a 54-inch deck. I bought these off of Home Depot online. It was like 80 bucks shipped to my door. They did not have them in store. They took 2 or 3 days to come in. So here's my mower. I don't know which one's bent. I have a feeling it's the farthest one to the right, but I'm just going to change them all. And then I'll throw those out or just keep them as a spare in case, and I'll try and put them on the ground and see which one is truly out of whack here. I'll stack them like this and see which one's bad. But anyways, you need a 24-inch or a 24 mil socket on your impact. I have the mower jacked up like this. You might want to use a jack stand if you're an extra cautious, careful person, which I'm not. And then I'll lay under it here. You can see the bolt in the center of each blade. So you're just going to loosen it, pull it out, drop the blade down. Supposedly there's only one way these blades go on, so you can't mess it up, but I will just confirm with you guys to make sure. So just a quick how-to. Alright, so they only go on one way. The part number faces down towards the ground. The raised section goes up, and they only lock in one way. And then you just tighten the nut with the impact. So far I did one, as you can see. Very straightforward. There's a washer that also falls down with it, so the washer goes first, then the nut, and then you tighten it up. So far, you can see that one's slightly out of whack, the middle versus the first one. So I think it's actually the first one that's bent on this side, so we'll see. There's all 3 of my original blades, so she's all done now. Now I could lower it. I did have some shrapnel, you can see back there, wrapped up against one of the blades, so I don't know if that was causing my little vibration as well, but I'm gonna go test her out and see if that did the trick. But that's a little quick how-to on a Ultima ZT1 54-inch deck. Should apply the same principles for every other mower deck size. It took me all of 10 minutes, if that. Done.